Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also fine. I am Farjan Akhtar Munmun, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. And I am going to take today the English language class of class 2, and our today's topic is uses of has or have. This is our revision class and our lecture number is 19 and our SW number is 18. Now let's start. We'll see how we can use has or have in a sentence. Has or have means the possession, belonging of something, possession of something. That means you have belonging of something or someone. In this picture you can see there is a table. How many tables is here? One table, and it has 4 legs. So our sentence is here, the table has 4 legs. We have written here has because there is only one table. There is only one table. And in the second picture we can see there are 3 plants with flowers. There are how many plants? 3. 1, 2, 3. That means it's plural. And we can see in the sentence we have used the plants have flowers. The plants have flowers. We have used here have because there are 3 plants and it's plural. We have used here has because there is only one table and it's singular. Now we'll see when will we use singular has or have. Has or have. That means we use has when we find noun or pronoun in singular form. Then we will use has. Singular means one person or thing. One person or thing is indicating singular, and then our to be verb or verb will be has or have. Has. Then have. Have means plural. When we find any noun or pronoun in plural form, then we can use have. That means more than one person or thing. Plural means more than one person or thing. Then we'll see with whom we will use has. We will use has. There are some nouns or pronouns. Has. We use has with he, she, it, or any kind of name, or with any kind of singular name. With he has a football. Here we can see he is a plural and we have used has with he has a football. She is here indicating girls and she is a singular pronoun. So after she we have used here has. She has a cat. Then it also indicating singular or one thing. That means it has a long tail. After it we have used has. It has a long tail. We can say we have a monkey and it has a long tail. Then Rita, you can have like other names like Rita, Mita, Rohim, Korim, anything. Rita is a singular name. For this reason we have used has after Rita. Rita has a violin. Rita is a singular name, one person. We are talking about one person. That means has, we use has after he, she, it, or any kind of one person's name. Then have. When we use have, we use have with plural form, with plural noun or pronoun. But I is here singular, but this is exceptional with I and you. They are singular, but we will have to use have with them. This is exceptional. After I, we will use have. I have a blue umbrella. Then you, after you will have to use have. You have a doll. Here we means some people, plural form. Then we will use have after we have 2 pups. Then they, we are talking about some peoples, more than one person. That means here we can write they have many books because they are indicating, there is indicating here plural form. Now we'll do the exercise. I hope you have understood the rules of has or have. Now we will do some exercise. Complete these sentences with has or have. Complete these sentences with has or have. Number 1. I dash 2 brothers. We know from the rules, after I we will use have. Then what will be here? Have. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Then number 2. I dash clothes in my cupboard. Then we know, like number 1, after I we will use have. Number 3. The monkey dash a long tail. The monkey is one animal. It's indicating singular. That means what will be here? Has. The monkey has a long tail. Number 4. A fan. How many fan is here? A means singular. A fan. 3 blades. Then what will be here? Singular means has. 3 blades. Number 5. Sana dash a pen in her pocket. Sana is indicating here one person, like Rita. One person, so it's singular. Then we will write here has. Sana has a pen in her pocket. Number 6. He dash many books. He is here singular pronoun. So what will be here? He has many books. Number 7. The baby is here only one baby. We are talking about only one baby. That means singular. Then what will be here? Has. The baby has a rocking horse. Number 8. We means plural. Then what will be here? We have 10 bananas in the kitchen. Number 9. Zebra. If I talk about zebra only, then it will be singular. But if I talk about zebras, this S is indicating plural form. Then what will be here? Have. Zebras have black and white stripes. The number 10. They is indicating here plural form. So we are talking about some people. They have, because it's plural. They have a lot of homework to do. So this is our HW, and you will have to do all the HW in your HW copy. I hope you have understood our today's topic, the uses of has or have, and you will have to submit this HW on Sunday in your HW copy. Do this HW and submit it. Stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.